I'm here today with Stuart Horton, Chief Winemaker at Brokenwood Wines, a 5-star wine label producing premium wines for over 35 years in the Hunter Valley. The Hunter Valley is a couple of hours drive north of Sydney. We thought we'd ask Stuart to share his thoughts on the challenges of producing high-quality wine grapes and the role CropBioLife plays at Brokenwood. Thanks for your time today, Stuart.
You're welcome, Tim.
Could you tell us a little bit about your vineyard and what makes it special to you?
Brokenwood's based here in the Hunter Valley, founded in 1970, and we produce some of the, most celebrated wines from the Hunter Valley in Australia more widely.
Your wine's won many awards. What do you feel makes a quality wine, and what do you do to achieve it here?
I think it's all about being able, you can't craft something that's not in the vines to start with. So wines that sort of speak of where they're from, it's what we're working towards very hard.
What are the challenges you face during a season in maintaining good crop health and wine quality?
I guess the big challenge is the weather, but it's outside of our control. The biggest variable is the weather, and being here in the Hunter Valley, it's a relatively challenging place to grow grapes. So we can have a fair chunk of our annual rainfall in late summer. So keeping canopy clean and healthy is a really very high priority for us.
Okay. What are the observations you've made that point to CropBioLife helping with your vineyard through these challenges?
For us, we've been using CropBioLife now for over 7 years. It's an integral part of our annual spray program. I think it does a really good job in helping us retain not just canopy, but canopy and vine health more broadly.
Our experiences with CropBioLife show that it improves plant phenolics and the follow-on effect with better assimilation of nutrition. What are your thoughts on the role of phenolics in vine health and wine quality?
For wine, it's critical. Wine phenolics, to use an analogy, is the structure of your house. It holds everything up. So anything that can increase the quality and the quality of the phenolics in our wines, I'm really keen to use.
Okay. Stuart, well, thank you very much for your time today. It's a pleasure to meet you, and good luck with the vineyard this year.
Cheers, Kevin.